In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the website not secure issue on Shopify. Whether you're running an online store or just setting one up, this little lock icon in your address bar, or lack thereof, can make a world of difference to your customers' trust and your overall site security. Let's dive into the process to help seal up those security gaps and give your site the secure label it deserves. First, we want to start on your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in and ready, look for the option to customize your theme. It's usually pretty visible right there on your dashboard. Clicking Customize opens up a world of opportunities for personalizing your site, but today we're focusing on the coding aspects. Next, click on the ellipses, or those three little dots, which usually indicate more options are available. Among these, you'll find the Edit Code option. Selecting this will take us into the back end of your website, where we're going to make a few small adjustments that make a big difference. Once in the code editor, you'll notice a layout section on the left-hand side. Here, we're specifically looking for a file named theme.liquid. It's one of the main files that control your site's appearance and functions. Now that we've found theme.liquid, our task is to locate the floshers section. If you're familiar with HTML, you know the widgets section contains elements like scripts and meta tags crucial for your site's security credentials. Here's a pro tip. Have your code snippet ready or search online for a pre-written one that suits your needs. After you've copied your chosen code snippet from the format.liquid file, you'll want to paste it into the theme.liquid file. It's a simple copy-paste job, but be sure to add a / before the word head in your code. This small adjustment helps to integrate the secure code seamlessly with your current settings. Then, take that piece of code you've just prepared and paste it right above where you found the existing head code. Ensure the paste is clean and nothing gets disturbed in the existing code structure. Double-check for any additional scripts or tags you might want in there, but do it cautiously if you aren't fully confident in code editing. And finally, after making these changes, remember to save your work. It might sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how easy it is to forget to save edits in the moment. Your browser or tab may even prompt you to save before switching or closing, but it's always best to get in the habit of hitting that save button diligently. By following these steps, you should see the not secure warning melt away from your Shopify store, replaced by a comforting lock icon. This simple fix adds a critical layer of trustworthiness that can reassure your visitors and help your business thrive online.